660 account. So I'm going to see how much you're going to make on bulk trading. So I'm going to select this bulk trading with entry. It's available on Freebots, so select that one, and then I'm just going to put the stake. I'm just going to increase the stake. I'm trading under 9, so I'm going to put a stake of 40 US 40. So let's do some bulk trading. So we are going to run the bot. So let's see. So it must hit digit 9. It has an entry of digit 9, so it must hit digit 9. So let's see how much you're going to make. So you can see it has done how many trades per second. Let's see 11 trades per second, 15. Okay, so let's stop it at 30. Okay, so I'm going to stop the bot. So you can see I've made 100 USD from bulk trading.